What it is, what it do is Joe back again with another video, and today I'll be unboxing the Sony a6400 with the 18 to 135 kit lens, as well as a few accessories to go along with it: the Sony remote controller, an SD card, as well as some extra batteries and a charger. So let's get into it. Perfect. Okay, here we go. Time for the main event. Let's crack this thing open. Alright, right up top, we have the user manuals. So this is probably going to be the first set of manuals I ever read, because the menus on this camera is intense. Like, there are like 10 pages of like menus on these Sony's cameras. So, and being a noob that I am, I think, yeah. Alright, let's keep it going. Open the box up. This thing we have is the shoulder straps. Probably use this, wrap around the neck or something, but yeah, I don't know yet. Also have the micro USB charging cable. I wish this was type C, but it is what it is. This is the eye cup. And the battery. I wonder if it has any juice in there. Oh, it's kind of cool. Got like a little display, I guess. But yeah. And now the lens. Let me be a little careful with this. My first time ever dealing with a lens of this magnitude, or camera at least. The one I'm currently using is pretty entry level. But yeah, here goes the 18 to 135. Sorry. The lens cover. Woo! This thing looks serious. It's definitely a big upgrade from what I'm coming from, and that is the Nikon D3300 with a horrible autofocus. So I've heard that the autofocus on this camera is pretty amazing, so I'll be looking forward to it. And now, the a6400. Alright. Wait, just put this to the side real quick. I think we got a few more things still in the box. Oh, I think this is the lens cover. I'm supposed to use this to like block the sun or something like that. I'll figure it out. And then one more. I can throw the box aside. This looks like your power adapter. That's USB-A. Alright, so right now we have the lens cover, power adapter, the battery, the eye cover thingamajig. Got the 18 to 135 lens, shoulder strap, micro USB cable, and your user manuals, which I will definitely be reading. Okay, the camera got a good amount of weight to it. For some reason I was thinking it's gonna be lighter. You know what, let's go ahead and pop the battery in here. Give me a second. if I figure out how to do this. Oh, that was easy. I wonder if it has any juice. Okay, Joe, figure it out. You got it? Okay, how to turn the power. Okay, battery does not have any juice. So let's just put this down here and let's go ahead and unbox the rest of these things. So we have the SD card. This is supposed to be pretty fast, 128 gigs, up to 170 megabits read, and I believe it's 90 megabits, right? Yep, 170 megabits read, 90 megabits right. Yeah, you've seen one SD card, you've seen them all, but I want to get a pretty fast one because of the speed. The 4K recorded on this camera. I want to get one that was compatible, and I can't figure out how to open this thing. Here we go. Just bust it open. Alright, I'm kind of slow. Alright, savage mode. Alright, cool. Boy, I'm kind of slow. Alright, finally got this damn thing open. Should be able to pop it in right here. Oh. Okay. I don't really like the fact that this battery is dead. And I also got this remote controller because the way I'm planning on setting it up is when I put it on my mount, when I put it on my tripod, I don't want to have to reach over and press the record button. So this should help. Should be able to hit the record button. Oh! Alright, try this again. Yeah, so this is the Sony remote controller, and should be able to just start and stop remote record from wherever I'm at. And we'll have to like reach over to my tripod to hit the record button. So this should come in handy. And I also got some extra batteries. I wonder if one of these has some charge in there. And if not, I'll just have to stop the video real quick and charge this battery up. This is cool. Yeah, whatever. You can charge 2 batteries at once. Here goes the extra batteries. Looks the same. It doesn't have that cool little thing that was on the other one. But it looks the same. Yeah, it's 2 batteries. By a company called Rav Power. Got these off of Amazon. I'll drop the link in the description. Test them out to see if they're any good. But it has some good reviews. Last, it has micro USB, so hey, it is what it is. I won't complain. I won't complain. But let's try one of these batteries out to see if the spare batteries have a charge. Oh, we got life. Pretty quick menu settings. Go ahead, English, enter. It looks right. Daylight savings. Yeah, put that on. Time. I'll set that later. Quick setup. Okay. All right. Guess I could take this off. Ooh, that looks cool. Matter of fact, put that back on and let's try out the. Okay, how do you do this? All right. Let's try the flip up screen. Oh, that's cool. Camera I have right now does not have a flip up screen. Kind of like using an external monitor to monitor myself, but so this should be a nice little addition. Won't have to use that extra monitor. I might still use the extra monitor, but who knows? This is cool. Go ahead and put this back down. And put this lens on. So this is my first time ever using a camera like this, a Sony camera, mirrorless camera. Pretty new to all of this videography. So, yeah. Let's go. And if I break this, all right, here we go. Okay, I think it's on there now. Oh, that looks cool. So this is the 18 to 135 zoom lens. You can tell this is gonna get annoying. It's rattling way too much for me. But yeah, take this for a spin, do a quick review. Take this for a spin and test it out. Like I said, I'm no camera expert, so don't expect too much from me. All right, but that's good. Okay, so I just played with this for a few minutes, and remember I said I was gonna actually read this manual? I was joking at first, but now I'm definitely gonna have to read this manual. I think I'm over my head with this camera. I thought it was gonna be a little step up from what I was currently using, the Nikon D3300 entry-level camera, and jumping up to this is more like a mid-range camera, and yeah, it's way more advanced than what I'm currently using, and I might be in over my head with this one, but yeah, I'm gonna give it a test, add it to my workflow, take it for a spin, take a few pictures, mostly do a video. Not the picture type person, but it's mainly got this for its video capabilities and specifically its autofocus capability. But yeah, I'll give it a shot. Y'all pray for me. I don't know. This camera's serious though, but one thing I did notice outside of the very, very detailed menu system is the record button is in like a, I would say an odd place. It's like right here. I mean, I guess you can hit it easily with your thumb, but yes, that's the first thing that like caught my attention was the placement of the record button. But we'll see how it works. And yeah, these will be gone very soon. I might even take them off right now as I'm recording. But yeah, this is already annoying me. So I won't be using this strap unless I can find a replacement for the strap without this jiggling thing right here. But yeah, that's it. Wish me luck. Y'all catch me later, man. Subscribe if y'all want to see the aftermath of this. I'm out.